This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very competitive rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how we can create a budget tracker along with the EMI calculator in Hostinger Horizons. First, I go to google.com and type Hostinger. I click on that. I click on the first website. Now, the Hostinger panel has been opened. I click on login. On the right hand side, I log in using my Gmail accounts. On the left hand side, I click on websites and websites list. Here, I click on edit web app. Here, I type this message. I want to create a budget tracker in Indian rupees which asks my monthly budget at the beginning and shows my month-wise expenditure through pie chart. After typing this, the Hostinger has created a web app for us which is displayed on the right side. Along with that, I type please integrate EMI calculator for the various types of loans like car, bike and etc. And on the final, I type I need a separate EMIs for the year and reducing EMI. So for this, the Hostinger Horizons has created a web app. I click on visits. Here you can see I type the monthly budget as 30,000. Here you can see our monthly budget. Here I type 1060 as my entertainment expenditure and for internet bill. I click on add expense. Similarly, I add another expense 1050 which is for housing. Now, when I look at the top, you can see the total amount and the remaining balance. So in this way, you can add our daily expenses and you can see it through the monthly pie chart. Similarly, when I scroll down, you can see the EMI calculator. Here you can type any type of loans and the required interest rate and the year. When you click on submit, you can see the total amount and the total interest payable and total premium plus interest. And for the reducing balance, you can see the month-wise data. So in this way, you can easily create any web application using the Hostinger Horizons. On the top of that, you can see the link address. When I copy the link address, you can see the website. Thank you.